Salam everyone, saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast dan Number One Podcast. Kenapa kita teriak padahal ada mic? Number One Podcast awak kami kini berada di Kinabatangan, Sabah.
Yes, Kinabatangan Sabah ni sangat legit lah dan kami belum memandu, baru mau take off, baru set up semua. So, are we going off now?
Ya, so sambil kita cerita lah.
Ya, ada kereta.
So, pertama kali kami actually record di dalam kereta. Pernah juga sebenarnya, tapi audio saja. Kali ini dengan video sekali. So, alang-alang kami punya jalanan cerita dalam kereta selalu memang penuh dengan kisah-kisah lah. Jadi daripada dia sayang, baru kita jadikan konten. Betul. Lagipun ada seorang tanya, kenapa kamu punya episod belum keluar ni tahun?
Kamu malas kah? Sudah makin riak, tidak mau buat, sudah kalau tidak dibayar kah begitukah? Betul.
Iya. Well anyway, Happy New Year everyone.
Happy New Year,
Kira
guys.
baru episod yang sendiri, lama dah episod sendiri yang memang kami rindui lah kan.
Ya, actually yang fun-fun, yang cakap labak, cakap anjau, gimana, itulah yang kami...
saya tidak rindu sangat lah, itu dia berlaku secara bersahaja.
Ya, bersahaja lah, ini pun bersahaja juga.
Anyway, ya. Kami berada di sekarang Batu 32 Sandakan. So Kinabatangan ni kalau balik dalam 6 to 7 hours balik Kota Marudu. So kami sampai kemarin untuk satu episod bersama dengan Goldem Hamid Salanga, wakil ataupun calon bebas. By the time mungkin keluar ni mungkin ada sudah keputusan lah, sebab mengundi tu akan berlaku pada 22 hari bulan ni kah?
Yes.
Untuk pilihan raya kecil Kinabatangan.
Yep.
Dan kami cover parlimen lah. Maksud dia ada tiga penjuru. Barisan Nasional, Warisan dan juga
Bebas.
Yes, tapi ya, so itu kami punya tugas ini. Kami nak mau cerita politik sudah. Episod kami banyak politik, berat sangat pada politik.
Since last year sampai sekarang.
So kami mau cerita yang santai-santai.
Yeah.
Ken, first time kau driving, give me your experience driving from Kota Marudu to Kinabatangan.
Tell you what, the day before kita start kita punya trip ni, I was really worried because of the social media punya expose about the road macam mana. So I am very influenced by it. Macam saya takut nanti bumper hilang kah, palis-palis lah apa yang kau boleh terpikir pasal road trip yang panjang dengan jalan yang buruk lah kan. But actually when I think about it kan, it wasn't as bad as I expected, as in the experience of driving. But the road memang...
It's bad actually, it's bad.
You guys can feel it like few minutes before just now. We are entering a bad road juga ni sekarang ni. Sekejap lagi lah akan bergoyang kereta ni.
So if people daripada listener Singapore kah, whoever it is, yang dari luar daripada Sabah, if you want to know jalan di demographically atau geographically memang Sabah ni sangat besar, so dia really big, yang membuatkan penjagaan jalan-jalan raya ni agak sukar. Infrastruktur di Sabah ni agak sukar untuk dijaga dengan satu government. Maksudnya the leader here memang pening kepala lah, to take care of Sabah lah, sebab dia terlalu besar. Dan kita masih lagi belum mendapat kita punya 40% daripada MH63. Yang mana itu boleh banyak membantu dari segi pembangunan kita, jalan raya, infrastruktur dan sebagainya lah. Tapi yang saya mau cerita sedikit, kau punya pengalaman tadi kemarin tu. So the length of it, I mean the stretch
about, I think about 400 kilometers. No, not 400 kilometers. More or less 300 kilometers. Dia punya stretch dia a mix of good road, ada highways, ada gravel road, mix of jalan di bulan, potholes, lots of it. And naik, kemarin kita stuck di mana tuh? Yang naik bukit kah? Oh, betul lah, bunch of
because this is main road. Kalau macam menghubungkan Tawau sama KK, so di dalam perjalanan KK Tawau atau Tawau KK ni kau akan limpas Ranau, Toran, Taparuli, Ranau. Kalau dari KK Ranau, lepas tu turun pergi Telupit, turunlah, kira ada lagi bawah view, dan sampai Beluran sampai Batu 32. Then baru Kinabatangan lah.
Yes, absolutely.
Then actually kalau tadi saya cakap sampai Tawakan, so lepas tu kau akan jumpa Kunak, Ladatu lagi. Lepas tu Sempurna punya simpang apa semua sampai kau tahu. So banyak daerah in between. So actually along the stretch memang the whole Sabah ni jalan ni memang teruk lah.
Sangat teruk lah.
Tengok kami sedang bergegar lah kalau itu betul. But anyway, it's a very good experience because
Absolutely.
last time yang kira paling distance yang jauh adalah pergi Tawau, tapi tu kami naik flight dan ada plan.
30 minutes punya flight lah.
Yeah,
Masa.
but it actually goes to 9 hours lah because kita masa balik tu kita kira flight kena delayed sampai 10 petang lah.
Ya, betul juga.
It was suck lah. Padahal
It was
flight
tough
patut 7.30 ada flight kan.
Saya demam masa tu.
Ya, kau
Lagi?
demam lagi.
Lepas tu malam tu recording lagi sama Nenek Laila.
Oh yeah, we did the recording as well, right? Oh man.
Dengan semia tekak.
So mau cerita sikit lah sambil kita cerita pasal the stretch jalanan di Sabah ni. Mau cerita juga last year.
Goodness.
It was a good year, kan?
Yeah,
Kan?
it was a good year. For me, we started the year with a bang with quite a lot of jobs coming in. We got a steady income juga from
Yep.
consistent punya this series called Kita Jaga Sabah, which really exposed to us with a lot of tetamu yang hebat.
Dan lembaga koko.
Lembaga Koko is definitely one of the best
Yes.
juga. A big
Library.
job. Library pun best juga.
Kira kami swing habis lah.
Oh, all the way, man. We
Yeah.
did 2 kali podcast 101, we had
yeah.
workshop, one with the collaboration with US Embassy KL and Sabah Library, in which we did workshop, podcast workshop 101. First one, the second one dengan Jabatan Perkhidmatan Komputer Sabah, which was at Menara Kinabalu lah, which is another great experience.
And we actually did one in KL in
Yeah.
Podfest lah.
Yeah, monetization kan, we specifically focused on that.
Yep.
And
This is going to Beluran by the way again.
oh, this one.
Tempat si Joe lah, Joe Magic Saban. So yeah, and
Shout out to Joe.
we did also collaborate with WWF Malaysia.
Yeah, we did for the advocacy campaign.
Yep.
Yeah, hopefully it influenced a lot of people voting for what's good for our environment in Sabah.
Hopefully advocating lah juga, educate everyone lah because banyak orang dah tahu WWF ni. Ini kita sum up lah last year.
Yeah.
Banyak orang dah tahu yang actually not just jaga haiwan, jaga kebersihan, jaga nature, tapi actually the implementations of orang bilang pembangunan ni dia perlu berselari dengan dorang punya anu jugalah, because bila kau buat jalan raya mestilah kau punya binatang pun terganggu,
Yeah,
dia punya habitat dia terganggu, jadi dia mana ada orang melintas, banyaklah road kills yang berlaku.
Yeah.
So mesti kami pun baru belajar lah di benda-benda ni. Benda-benda ni it's a very very nice collaboration lah.
Nice collaboration. We got. Barang aside, we get free T-shirt, which is a nice T-shirt by the way. Thank you for WWF.
Dan
Malaysia.
dan saya sempat, thank you very much. Saya sempat lah buat one video wrap up lah, 2025 wrap lah.
Yeah.
Oh, sempat lah buat, jadi kamu boleh tengok lah sana tu.
Tapi buat 2025 tapi post 2006.
Ya.
Gitu lah.
Tidak masalah juga lah.
It's all good. It's only an
Kira kau komen saya lah.
Sorry.
Because
Minta maaf.
saya tidak dapat kejar tu 31. Everybody is having their time.
Yeah.
I'm having my time too.
Me too.
Yalah.
Yeah.
So it was really the best year lah. I think the best year is last year for me. Along the journey starting kita daripada 2020. It was really really nice. Ini careful lah, this one. Dia sangat-sangat
It's wavy road.
can be skidded.
Yeah. And then dia terus masuk ke gaung ah.
Ya, gaung tinggi sana.
Shit, fucking hell, man.
Yeah, man. So, and also, balik jalanan ni, di laluan utama, apabila dia laluan utama, the lori, trucks yang besar-besar dan juga bus besar-besar menggunakan jalan ni, membuatkan jalan ini sangat banyak rosak dan teruk because they are heavy loads. Dan that's why kita mau pemerintah kita ni kalau buat jalan raya kena yang terus jangan alang-alang.
Heavy duty
Heavy
road.
duty punya roads lah.
Yeah, don't skimp on the raw materials for the road. Kasih separuh dia kah. No, tidak. It needs to be heavy duty lah. Imagine how many puluh ton bah.
Correct.
The lorries are passing by here every single fucking day. 24/7, 365 days a year. Come on, man.
I imagine that it's maybe tens of thousands of trucks and buses lah.
Oh,
Confirm
man,
lah.
seriously.
Per day mungkin ratusan kan.
Yes.
Imagine kali 365 hari.
How many, man?
How many is that?
Shit.
Belum lagi yang not so heavy truck like our car
Ya,
kan.
ini lagi kemarin bumper tercabut. I mean the sides ya lah.
Yep.
Ketuk balik lah. It's that extent.
Ya, sampai boleh tahantak begitu and then boleh tercabut apa.
Ya.
Dikira teruk lah.
Itulah.
I mean, kita punya kawan-kawan dari Singapura pun yang pernah datang sini yang kita recommend untuk sewa kereta, drive sini pun pun agak dia bilang, I mean next time kalau I think kalau di KK I'm gonna change to sedan car begitu, but kalau mau pergi Kundasang use the truck lah yang what I mean yang macam 4x4 punya car.
Ya, the mid-side truck lah.
Is better.
Ya, Hiluxes lah, Hilux. Ini the construction, I think this is the apa ni? Pen Borneo punya site lah ni kan?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but
yang sudah berapa tahun dah pandai siap-siap lah.
Ya,
I mean before PKP lagi ni actually 2019 I think.
Ongoing lah.
Until now belum siap-siap, sudah 2000 mau 7 tahun 8 tahun sekali.
Ya, we always compare to Sarawak lah. Sarawak mau siap sudah guys.
Siap sudah duit.
Siap sudah.
Ada tol sudah semua.
Kita apa? Tanah kuning guys.
Tanah merah.
Tanah merah, kuning, hijau. Hijau tu rumput lah.
Yang kuning tu rumput yang panas lah, kering lah.
Today is a hot day.
So I believe kalau kamu dah biasa long road ataupun yang long drive macam kami punya geografi ni, memang beginilah Sabah dia sangat besar. So membuatkan kita memang akan lama berada di dalam kereta lah.
Yes,
So my experience recently, sebab saya pun baru travel around the whole Sabah. So we start off from Kota Marudu to KK, which is kita punya the ibu kota Sabah lah, ibu negeri Sabah lah. So from KK to Papar, so Papar to Keningau by Kimanis. So Keningau spend a night there. The next day kami pergi jalan ni Kalabakan, orang panggil jalan Kalabakan lah, Rotai Kalabakan ni lah. So along the way I think it's about 4-5-6 hours daripada Keningau ikut Merotai, and then sampai Tawau, and then we stay there because my in-laws memang Tawau. Kalau kamu kenal kami, dengar cerita kamu tahu lah tu the producer daripada Tawau. And then after that balik dia, kami not following the same road, kami jalan daripada belakang, which is kami jalan pergi ikut daripada Datu, Sempurna, Kunak, and then tembak lagi ke Beluran, pergi Kinabatangan, Beluran, Sandakan, and overnight Sandakan terus tembak dari KM lah, tapi akan lalu lagi ni lah Beluran, Telupit, pergi Kundasang kami terus, bukan Kundasang, Ranau terus drop Parak turun pergi Kota Marudu. So kira kalau kau ikut dia punya route dia actually kau memang round. Exactly, that's the route, that's the only route lah sebenarnya.
Circuit lah.
Circuit dia betul-betul dia punya circuit lah. Sampai KM. So equivalent to like 1,000 over I think all together kalau masuk jalan-jalan sikit sana sini.
Close to 1,000.
Close to 1,000 kilometer.
Belum lebih jalan-jalan lagi around the area gitu kan.
Kira kalau saya dari Johor saya sudah sampai Hanyai lah. Or more.
And I had this plan with friends lah.
Let it out.
Sama ada it's either we kumpul duit and then pergi melancong di luar negara. One of the option was to round Sabah.
Okay.
The whole of Sabah. So that whole trip emang maybe 1 minggu kasih round habis dia. It's a fucking road trip lah. So
tidak menjadi lagi lah.
Belum menjadi lagi lah. So it's kind of hard when everyone is working. Setiap orang punya kerja pun, some government servant, some private.
Actually, you don't have to wait for friends. Tapi best lah ada kawan-kawan kan.
Yeah, I mean that's the.
Tapi kau sudah hampir half sudah. Kira ada sudah experience, so
crescent lah.
Lebih kurang ya. Ya, kau lebih kurang kira pergi balik kira sudah lah.
Ya.
Tapi kalau pergi Sarawak itu semua ikut lah.
Itu.
We really should consider driving there lah.
Yeah, I really want to juga. I've done the itinerary.
You gave me that. I remember that. You gave me.
Tapi nak jadi. Damn. I still have the plan on my laptop though.
I mean, you need to convert to Canva, so it be interesting. So
lepas tu kita kasih
Slide on.
Slide on dia lah. Bloody hell.
Kira dia mengira.
Saya mau potong bah itu dia pergi. I'm not road raging guys. This is just me ranting out lah. Yeah.
So kalau pergi Sarawak, because recently, bukan recently lah, last year, ujung tahun lalu, last month lah bagi lah tu kan.
Last month lah betul. Kira
Yeah,
jauh lah.
yeah, I watch it.
Last year lah.
Sambil makan lah. I watch this influencer, vlogger, YouTuber.
Alright.
So dia ni orang Kalimantan, orang Indonesian lah. Dia drive dari Kalimantan.
Wait, Hilux kah?
Ya.
Oh, that bunch.
Yeah.
Dia orang ada pergi Kudasang and all that.
Yes. So dorong jalan daripada Pontianak masuk pergi Sarawak, tembus pergi Brunei tembus pergi Sabah, tembus pergi KK tembus pergi Simpang Mengayau.
Ya.
Orang-orang dorong ikut jalan ini, Sandakan Tulupini, pergi Tawau, pusing balik, masuk balik ke Kalimantan lah. Kira dorong the Borneo circuit lah dorong ambil.
Yeah, the whole of Kalimantan and Borneo and Sarawak together, man. Shit.
So meaning to say, memang ada jalannya. So kita actually can travel without airplane lah. Tapi you need to be in the same head lah.
Yeah.
There will be, ada yang sana tu yang paci tayar, rosak kereta,
Yes.
ada yang sakit perut, ada yang macam-macam berlaku, sakit apa semua along the road.
Yeah.
So kena prepare lah, fully prepared on this. Tidak boleh yang macam lamanya mau sampai, tidak boleh.
Yeah, cannot.
Dia kena betul-betul travelling with adventurous mind lah.
Yeah, and with adventurous intent lah juga. I did my fair share of road trip juga when I was younger.
Okay, lay it out.
Yeah. Back when I was in New Zealand juga, we did a lot of road
Kalau
trips.
cakap New Zealand macam New Zealand, macam yang New Zealand punya.
Yeah, you know.
Oh.
Say you know, konon.
Alright, man.
Bukan slang dia juga sih. Yeah, back then lah.
Thanks to producer, kita ada coffee.
My coffee is there.
Yeah. I hope dia sudah kurang sejuk lagi. Kalau dah panas ni. Ya,
Panas
ada dua. Kenny pun ada.
Thank you,
Right.
producer.
Right.
I got Monster as well, but Monster doesn't sponsor this episode. Sorry, no one's sponsoring this episode actually. Yeah, so the reason why I like road trips is because of that juga lah. Me and my friend sama-sama road trip and all that. Kami pusing satu New Zealand. Oh
wow, that was an experience, man.
that was an experience, man.
Tell me how many berapa panjang the stretch dia?
If you are going to the South Island, there's north and there's south. North tu di mana where Wellington and Auckland is.
Okay, di mana Hobbiton.
Hobbiton is North Island.
Okay.
So
What is the place called?
Hobbiton.
I know. I mean,
Yeah.
apa daerah itu? Apa negeri itu situ?
What is it? It's in Wellington area, if I'm not mistaken.
Is it? Okay.
If I'm not mistaken.
Alright.
I haven't been back to New Zealand for a while now. Basically South Island kami sudah pusing lah.
Alright.
That was how many hundreds of kilometers?
Sorry, I interrupt you in between.
Yeah, no worries, man.
The difference between driving there and here is different because sana sejuk bakal travel.
Yes.
Sini kau travel dalam keadaan panas. You can unpredictable weather di sini.
Yes.
Di sana you know that the weather is gonna be like chilly and cold, and at the same time mungkin ada hujan sikit-sikit.
Yes.
Begitu, and back to that again. But
Yes.
kita, it's raining like pouring like so heavy and suddenly very hot. Yang habuk dengan jalan yang buruk sana jalan. Tell me the jalan sana.
You can fall asleep driving. See, not in a good way if you sleep while you drive now, of course. But it's so smooth that you don't feel a thing. Like right now, you're feeling a lot.
Like kita bergoyang-goyang lah sekarang kan.
In New Zealand, it's like this. Nothing.
Nana.
So it is so smooth and.
So berapa kilometer kau drive?
Wow. So each trip, city to city, probably take around.
Crazy shit nah tu. Kau tengok main
man.
putung di sana.
Wow, the Hilux just
Overtake daripada depan, dan berdepan lah kami begini tadi, begini. So tapi dia sempat masuk lah because kami kasih slow down sudah.
Kalau dia lambat
Dulu lah
lagi
dia.
a few seconds, so memang melanggar kita.
Oh,
But we like to live dangerously, why? You know. So
men's being boys.
men being boys, or boys being men lah. Boys to
No,
men.
kasi terbalik.
Oh,
We
men.
men, so we boys.
Ah.
Okay, alright, never mind.
So city to city, probably around 2-3 hours or 4 hours. Pekan to pekan, so small town to small town, probably an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours macam gitu.
The road now is very bad, okay?
Yeah, very bad. And the upkeep of the road is very nice, very good. Along the way, you can stop for toilet. Like here, where are you going to stop for toilet? The next.
Oh yeah, this is another thing yang kita tiada ni. The arena ba? Yang proper arena lah.
Yes, a pit stop for your journey.
Yeah,
It's-
like in KL ada kan, lepas tu
Ada.
ada tempat ibadahnya, ada tempat makan dia, ada
Yes.
tempat recharge for you to sleep. Kalau ada car charge yang perlu charging, boleh ada charging, ada minyak, stesen minyak sekaligus.
Kalau sini apa? Look at the
Oi.
windows, man. Sawit, palm oil,
Pamol.
palm oil. So take a shit there and you might get bitten by a snake.
Wih, kami bukan mau kasih gaslighting atau kasih buruk. Sabarlah. Tidak. Tapi meaning to say
Look, it is what it is.
you need to manage properly on your travel here lah.
Ya,
Maksudnya
ya.
ada city, kau kena berak, kau kena makan, kau kena apa-apa sana rest, lepas kau akan jalan, kau akan tidak akan habis kau punya tangki untuk sampai to the next pit stop begitu sajalah.
Yeah, but
Unless kalau kau jalan dalam keadaan satu bas sampai bini sandakan, itu memang gila lah. Itu bodoh lah.
Dang. Well, with every trip that you go for, there's precautions lah. But with Sabah, Sarawak in mind, bear in mind, lots of precaution needed lah. Yeah, especially when you're on a trip, when you're driving on your own, be it bike or a car.
Okay, back to New Zealand. So,
Yeah.
total kilometers.
I would
Back and
say,
forth.
I would say, because we're starting from, if you look at the map of New Zealand right now, we started from Christchurch, the main city of the island. We moved towards north,
Right?
Going up.
Crazy people
and even
is
crazy
bodoh
people,
lah.
So going up to, I forgot the name of the place, just the tip of it, and then coming down on the other side of the island towards,
Kira kau mau
Queenstown.
kau refreshing back lah.
yeah.
Okay.
Because at the same time I'm calculating
Yeah.
So in total I think around 700 to 800 kilometers.
Lebih kurang satu round Sabah jugalah.
Satu round Sabah juga lah,
Kurang
but it's way better.
Way better and more faster because their road dia cantik.
And you can take your time.
Yeah, man.
Definitely take your
And
time.
also, we're talking about New Zealand. One of the most prettiest country in the world. Man,
Yes.
New Zealand. Kau mau laut ada, kau mau gunung ada.
Yes, both.
Bos, sampai orang shoot Lord of the Rings itu, gitu lah. Gitulah
Yeah.
best dia.
Yes. Land of the long
Yeah, man.
white clouds, man.
Let's get back to Sabah. Ken, what did you do last year? I mean, year end.
Year end ha. Year end.
Year end na.
Terus jadi Cina. Year end, right after we started holidays, I straight away go to work mode, preparing our company punya trucks for a cultural punya car parade around town, as I do every year. But this year is a bit different because we prepared on a short notice lah.
Alright.
And then we ran into some technical difficulties and all that. After that, it's back to back, right after that it's Christmas. No, the parade is on Christmas Day. Right after that, got a few days of rest, and then I came back straight, even before New Year, to my workplace, get a few things done. I think three weeks of holiday. I think I already have like
3 weeks
1
only.
week.
Yeah, man.
Less than a week probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's quite an interesting holiday. What about you, man? Where did you
I
go?
mean,
Where
I
did you
just
guys go?
told you around Sabah.
Itu aja.
Itu saja. I mean,
Didn't you go to Sydney?
itu gambar-gambar lama lah.
Yalah. Not AI generated lah, it's real lah.
Pandai-pandai lah kamu nilai, jangan terlalu. Everything can be so deceiving. Yeah, so don't just believe what you see lah.
Transformers lah.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
What was it again? Apa beneath the ice? Whatever lah. I forgot.
Anyway, update about Sabah. I heard macam ada tempat yang macam there's new, I don't know, theme park or what it is, yang macam ada orang bilang dapat tu kan. Ada tempat-tempat snow ke apa sudah sekarang. Yeah.
Tempat, you mean like a building yang ada produce snow macam gitu? Is it?
Yang ada snow tu. Diorang pergi nanam ke?
Ooh, what's that? Is it real snow?
I think so. Sebab orang mau pakai baju lebih dalam diorang bilang.
Oh wow. Is this a real life? Kira nyanyi lah.
What is your take about kita masuk politik balik sikit lah.
Oh, okay.
Yang kita punya interview. What do you think about kancah kinabatangan ni? Nah, ni lagi bodohnya.
Nice. I think Kado has been cursing a few drivers for long
Mother,
stretch.
father.
Gentleman. Kancah kinabatangan ni. Are we talking about past governance ka, or how ni? For me, kinabatangan is coming ni.
What is happening? I mean, what do you see yang lack? What is your take about kinabatangan now lah yang kau baru sampai ni, kau baru ni?
It lacks a lot of basic infrastructure. I mean, the only thing that got me interested in Kinabatangan was like last time kami pergi the tempat interview tu kan, we passed by Sabah Library. Kinabatangan punya Sabah Library is beautiful, cantik.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, very
Cantik.
pretty. But
Not that big, but it's enough.
yeah, enough, just nice, it's pretty. That's it. That's all. Nothing else in Kinabatangan tells me that it is, it is of 2026. Nothing. It feels like I'm back in the 1990s, where me and my parents, jalan-jalan buruk
Yeah.
and go to kampung.
Yalah.
It's like that kind of a feeling.
Yeah, it's like maybe I think 20 years back pun macam sama sih. Okay, my take first kalau kau tengok Kinabatangan. Banyak nyamuk.
Nyamuk!
Oi, nyamuk punya banyak. What is the meaning of a place yang masih banyak nyamuk? Meaning to say hutan lah kan masih. Maksudnya pembangunan yang banyak tidak berlaku.
It's backward lah, this place.
Ya.
No offense to
ya,
the
kawan-kawan
people of
Kinabatangan ya.
We love you.
We got many friends there.
We many friends there. We love you.
Tapi
but
memang banyak nyamuk Kinabatangan, my god man. Kau makan di kedai mamak tu pun it's like running here and there. Mau seram kau.
it's like they're hounding your food or you.
Itu di Pekan tu. Imagine kami pergi tempat kami tinggal lagi.
Aduh.
Kau baru buka bilik the homestay. Sana sudah berterbangan di dalam. Padahal it was closed.
Yeah, and we didn't bring repellent. Gitu, we didn't know juga kan. Aduh.
But itu satu lah. Kedua, for me memang infrastruktur dia bagus lagi Kota Marudu lah.
Yeah, definitely.
Way better lah.
Yeah.
So kalau di Kota Marudu kamu komplain banyak, try dulu tinggal di Kinabatangan lah.
True that.
Bukan ini comparative. I mean,
People will compare.
yeah, people will compare.
Yes.
But not to say supaya orang faham pembangunan itu tidak setara.
Yes, across the state.
Ya, sedangkan Kinabatangan ni should be lebih maju dari Kota Marudu. Sebab ini jalan laluan utama. Kota Marudu itu bukan jalan laluan utama. You have to go in, you have to go there.
Yeah.
Laluan untuk Pitas saja, Pitas, Kudat pun dah masuk di Kota Marudu.
Yeah.
But we are better than Kinabatangan yang memang hari-hari orang lalu untuk Pitawau. Jadi kira main big road for menghubungkan daerah-daerah besar lah.
Yes, and then the tendency of orang-orang akan pit stop di sana, stop di sana. Then the facilities kan, when you think about it, should be better.
Yeah,
So, orang akan meninggal sana. The economy, the opportunity for economic growth is actually high. People are stopping by to buy stuff.
Well,
Here we go. Didn't break in time, so. Oh my goodness, gonna check my bumper later.
yo man.
Woohoo!
I mean, still under construction this pandemonium, but mesti ada repercussion lah. I mean, or kira the interim punya jalan lah.
Yeah.
While doing it, and it has to be. Oh man, this is buruk jalan. Aduh.
Fucking hell, man. Oh boy.
Oh.
Lubang. Oh my god.
There you go.
That's Kinabatangan for you guys.
Okay. Kita play game.
Yes. What game?
Game is called Song I Shouldn't Sing in My Friend's Wedding. I go first.
What?
Hey, senangnya dalam hati. That you don't sing that song. Ah. It's you cannot sing that song in a wedding.
Especially your friend's wedding or anybody else's wedding.
Iyalah.
Yeah.
Yo, you go.
Sial. By Mahalini.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I go. Because tonight will be the night that I will. Oh, you don't silent that part lah.
Menimbulkan syak wasangka lah.
Yeah.
Whoever singing lah.
But you actually can sing this.
What?
Boys to Men.
Oh.
Shit, dude. Close your eyes, make a wish, and blow out the candlelight. For tonight is just your night. We gonna celebrate. It's a make-out song, man.
Oh shit.
It's a make-out song. I mean, kalau kau literally kau dengar, throw your clothes on the floor. I'm gonna take my clothes off too. Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
I mean,
I've made plans to be with you. Oh, man.
Okay. I mean, there was ones like
Okay.
Bruno Mars. What was that
It's
song
a beautiful day.
again? No. The more recent song.
Okay, more recent song.
What is it lah? A Versace on the
Oh,
floor.
it's a make-out, super make-out song lah.
Yes,
Come
and
on.
people like vibing it
Yeah
in
lah.
the mall. Yeah, Versace on the floor. Yes.
It's
Come on,
like,
man.
come on, man. Tapi it's a nice song lah kan.
It is lah, yeah.
Tapi memang dia
Nothing beats this.
nothing beats the Jets to Holiday lah.
Nothing beats WAP lah. It's stupid lah, that song. Come on, man.
Tapi one of the best song lah, I think I like. Oh, another song you cannot sing di ano lah, wedding lah.
What song?
I was about to go to work, but I got high. Because I got high. Pakai bassline je.
Sial.
Tung.
Oh, shit. I press mute.
Okay, baru jalan. Okay, switch on sejak balik.
Okay, it's all good kan?
Alright, okay.
Sorry, it's
That's
the
all.
road. It's the road, not me.
Ya,
It's the road, it's not me.
okay. Ada lagi lagu yang tidak sesuai.
It's a song about illegal substances lah just now though.
Ya, betul.
Illegal here lah
Hmm.
in some parts of the world.
And one song you cannot sing in parade, in Hari Kebangsaan, di parade lah,
Yeah.
adalah Fuck the Police by Tupac lah. Also cannot. Don't sing that song. You are not. Don't do that lah.
But this song kan? Woo!
Itu boleh patut.
It's a sound of the police. Woo!
Sama kalau memujuk bini, jangan nyanyi ni lagu lah. No woman, no cry.
But this song is about woman empowerment,
I
kan?
know, of course.
But people might get
Yeah.
misunderstood lah.
A lot of people misunderstand.
Yeah.
No woman, no cry. Seolah-olah lelaki tidak
Menasi
memerlukan
nangis.
beginilah. Ya.
No woman, no cry. It's telling the woman don't
Yeah.
cry by itu actually.
To
No
the,
woman.
To the great Bob Marley lah.
Yeah. Rastafari.
What else?
funny thing happened when we were scrolling reels. We came across. It is by BBC, but it is
That one.
spoken in Pidgin, which is the Jamaican language.
Yeah. Pidgin, yes.
So it was a real a news snippet about a sinkhole in Indonesia, but they told it
They narrate it. I mean, even the narration, even the caption, even the bio is Pidgin. Pidginize.
Search for it, PIDGIN, Pidgin. It is the sort of one of the new Englishes in the world lah. It's English, but it's
And
Jamaican
it's
localized.
BBC with the blue ano lah. It's a real BBC lah.
Yes, it's
Legit
British.
lah.
Yeah, it is British broadcast
Like
corporation.
bomba klat lah.
Yeah, bomba klat.
I'm trying to read like Jamaican kan. That yang aku nampak tu I did try because dia lalu saya punya algorithm juga lah. But I read it like we in Africa.
Yeah, actually quite the same. Sound almost.
Ya itulah yang berlaku. In algorithm is getting crazy lah. I mean content is getting crazy kan.
I know.
I mean it's about tai, you know. It's about orang mandi-mandi tapi depannya ada orang berak, tai mengalir-ngalir di sungai.
Don't remind me.
It's
Oh my
getting
God.
really worse
Oh
yang
my
buat
God.
cake bentuk tai.
Shit man, why?
Lepas tu buka makanan Zoom apa
Sestrom kah?
Sestrum apa tu?
Sestroming kah?
Sestromings. Itu makanan Sweden yang ikan di
Fermented anchovies.
fermented anchovies.
Ya, ikan bilis besar yang di
Ya. Di
Kosongan lah.
diperam
Hmm.
dan diperap
Ya.
yang sudah lama lah.
And some people actually said yang dia sebenarnya sedap. Cuma cara makan salah gitu.
Tapi bau dia pun sudah buka sudah bilang bau.
Itulah itu. Wow.
Lah. Tapi kali kami cari di Shopee ada orang jual.
300
300 lagi tu.
Oh shoot.
So dia macam tin can yang besar. Lepas tu kau buka lah. But do you think dia sudah macam mau mengembang tau because dia fermented kan.
Ya.
Jadi dia macam mau explode pada punya tin can.
Dia produce gas, boy.
Ya ada gas. So
Kan?
orang buka siapa betul gitu terus keluar siapa dia tu kan orang macam sudah. Tapi masih banyak orang permintaan and it's expensive man 300.
22 orang beli di Shopee.
Ya 22 orang juga beli di Shopee sial. Kali dong mau buat konten lah kali ya. Kimbe betul.
Dia punya description cakap juga it's you want to challenge yourself to a
Begitu. I kan bukan cakap macam pigeons.
because the guy selling it is Chinese.
Okay lah. Alright. Kira ada dua jalan tu, motor pakai jalan dia lah sendiri situ
Ya,
Okay lah. Alright lah.
to each their own lah.
Dia punya tayar kecil. Memang orang pakai motor sekarang tayar dia kecil.
Why?
Some of them bilang faster. Secondly, it's cheaper. Tayar kecil.
Tayar besar dia
Mahal.
paying for more rubber kan.
I mean, kau mau rubber kah? Kau mau kepala kau jadi rubber? I mean, it's not safe, man.
Oh ya kan,
You carry
no grip.
It's, kecil. It's not safe. Macam mau naik biskal lah. And ada orang pakai tayar biskal sudah di motor.
Wah.
Rim pun rim biskal sudah. Ya.
Aduh.
For the track shit. Anyway, kau Sabah ni dia penuh kelapa sawit. Kalau kau nampak di belakang ni soal kelapa sawit everywhere kelapa sawit. I think it's like 40% is kelapa sawit lah di Sabah ni. I think
Look
so.
at that, it's a hill of kelapa sawit.
Yeah, man.
Every single
Specifically yang going Tenggara. I mean Keningau di Merotai semua pun.
semua, dude.
So, I think 40% lah. Tapi according to WWF during our interview sama
Is it sustainable palm oiling? Palm oiling.
almost not all tapi sudah I think 15% orang bilang sudah start following the apa. And then kita punya orang bilang penanaman semula ataupun yang kita punya
Reforestation. Reforestation.
not reforestation. Kita punya forest ni masih antara yang paling terbaik because tidak melebihi 50% yang diterokai lah.
I
Sabah
see.
still keeping it lah.
Virgin forest,
All this nature lah.
including Maleo Basin.
Satu Jamili yang bercakap. Dia bekas kan taman-taman Sabah tu.
Yep.
Ya.
Hey, it's actually quite nice talking to that
I like
guy.
him man. Kalau boleh panggil kita satu kali.
Yeah. Storyteller.
Yeah, story. He's a good dude. I mean, good storyteller. Good guest
Shout out
lah.
to you, Rato, if you're listening.
Yeah. I doubt it, but hopefully mana tahu sepupu-sepupu kah. Jatuh
Yeah.
Jamili Sain.
Yes, he's an awesome guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Alright.
Awesome guests also. For the rest of, the other guests are nice also. Everybody's nice.
Yes, man. True. And also we went to balik lagi. We went to watch the defeat of Manchester United lah di Bukit Jalil juga last year.
Yes. Against Asian All-Stars yang baru saja 2 minggu kena form.
Paling sial, ada kan budak di depan tu. Yang tu budak menangis-nangis sebab Manchester United dapat naik gol and kalah kan. And Syabra habis tiak, kan. Makin dia mama dia tengok balik-balik di atas. Kau ni sokong siapa ni? I mean, when comes to you know, road apa ni tour begini ni, matches yang tour. Kalau kau di Malaysia, dia lawan Malaysia, kau akan okey dua-dua. Menang MU pun kau okey, menang Malaysia lagi kau okey.
Ya, lagi
kau
okey.
kasih kalah MU kan,
Yeah.
for example. So ini Asian All-Star kasih kalah, I mean, tapi saya memang exaggerate lah that time supaya tu budak makin dia nangis.
Oh, that was your ulterior motive.
Yeah. Yay! Kasih gol lagi. Makin it's a bunch of Indonesian, but I don't really like them being quite rude juga because dorang naik atas kerusi and then mau pergi belakang and all yang. So I don't really like juga dorang that time. Quite rude juga lah. I'm not all Indonesian, okay?
Yeah.
Just that bunch. Wrong.
Onana lagi. Oh my goodness. Asa keluar jauh Onana. Onana.
By the way, Charles message. Dia bilang singgah lah. Ronaldo bilang, Aset, jom Lohan Cafe, Aset. Kami akan singgah sana nanti.
Oh.
So, we gonna reach around 3:43 di sana, Aset. Bawa
So?
ko telung jipun kau. Timun jipun kau. Sebab dia punya timun jipun dia sangat sedap.
Oh, seriously?
Sangat crunchy, ya.
Oh.
Ya, hari tu kami pesan, dia bawa.
Dia punya kebun sendiri,
Dia punya kebun sendiri. Dia
Wow.
punya kebun.
Okay lah. Beli lagi rehat-rehat sekejap.
Ya, memang mau singgah juga. Nak beli direct juga.
Yeah, man. We are still on what is this road? Jalan Ranau Sandakan. It is Highway 72 if you're looking at the map. And we are passing by the PGA punya nulah traffic stop lah.
Nah, dari jalan tengah teruk. Sangat-sangat.
I wish I can show you, but
Ya. Kenapa dia boleh jalan sini? Ini PJ ni kan?
yeah.
Okay. We're gonna take a short break. We'll be right back right after this because ada PJ sini mau checking on cars and everything. Okay, guys.
Yep.
Tak boleh. Kau kira mau kasi pusing ke?
No, I don't want to pusing lah, but yeah.
Ya. Tapi,
Alright.
yeah, we're gonna take a short break. We will be right back right after this.
Alright, see you guys.